Hello guys, we are back with another lead code problem and today is day 14 of February. Let's see the today's problem. And today's problem, it's an easy but it's a must do question. It's a maximum depth of binary tree. So it's a basic question for making a foundation of an about tree. So let's dive into the question. So you have a given a binary tree and you have to return its maximum depth. So let's know about what's the actually maximum depth in a tree. So a binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaves. So what's actually mean the maximum depth, it's a number of nodes from the root node to the far deepest node. So in that case deepest node is 15 and 7. So if in this case, how what's the depth of actually the depth of this binary tree is 1, 2 and 3. So the depth of the binary is 3 in that case. If 15 have one more node, so in that case it has 4 and so on. So you have to return 2 in that case. So how can we solve this problem? So for solving this problem, what can we do? uh, we can use a recursion and talk with our recursion solution. I call my recursion head and say, uh, hey recursion, I know about my root. If I added root value to you, I'll got my answer. So what I actually do, let me just write the code and you understand what actually I want to tell you. So first and foremost, if my root is equal to null, what is mean? It means I don't have any root in that case, but I'm going to return 0 in that case. It's my base condition. So let's talk about our solution. What I know, when I'm helping using the recursion, it's actually my duty. What I in this case do, I call it my left. What I'm actually do, uh, in this case, let's say I'm here root. What I'm calling, hey my recursion, do one job. Compute the my left subtree values, the maximum depth in this left subtree, and I call my recursion on the right subtree right side and says to recursion, hey recursion, do my one job, try to find out the maximum depth of this right subtree, and after it's my one of the duty, I have to pick only one of them. If my left is great, left having the depth more, I'll just added one into that, because I have to add this value too. If my right subtree has the maximum depth, in that case what I'm going to do, I'll just add it one and return it. So I don't know which left is greater or right is greater, so I'll make it two variables in which in my left subtree left subtree contain what, max depth of what, root left root left, and same, sorry, same as my and my right subtree value variable contain the maximum depth of right part, and after getting my left maximum depth and right maximum depth, what's my duty? My duty is to comparing which one is greater. So for knowing which is greater, then I'll add it one into that and return it. So I combining this step into one. So what's my first duty? I have to compare it whether my left subtree is greater or my right subtree greater, in which right subtree is greater. After that, what I'm going to do, sorry, it's smaller. What I'm going to do, I'll add it one into it, and return it from you. That's my duty. That's a basic and straightforward. We don't need to worry about how it's do. I believing on the recursion, and recursion do its job. Okay, so let's submit this code, guys, and it's accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding, guys.